Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have admin access and updated graphics drivers. Next, disconnect any extra monitors so you work with one screen. This isolates the issue. Open display settings by right-clicking the desktop and choosing display settings. You should see one main tile. Once done, check orientation and scaling values. Make sure they are standard. If you spot a duplicated or extended layout, pause here. We will reconfigure layouts step by step to restore a single, correct view. Now you adjust the layout. In display settings, drag monitor tiles to match how screens sit on your desk, because alignment controls mouse flow. Then set each display to the recommended resolution and a compatible refresh rate. Incorrect values cause split or off-screen views. Toggle multiple displays, switch between duplicate, extend, and show only one to test behavior. Once you pick the intended mode, click Apply and watch for changes. Make sure to confirm the prompt if the image looks correct. Otherwise, revert and try alternate settings. To finish, reconnect monitors one at a time and recheck the arrangement and resolutions so nothing snaps into a split state. If the split persists, open Device Manager and update or roll back the graphics driver. Driver mismatches often cause persistent splits. You can also restart Windows Explorer or reboot the PC to clear session issues. If all else fails, open your GPU control panel to confirm multi-display profiles. And as one troubleshooting tip, test with a different cable or port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.